ukuthi usuvele waba yibhubesi. Hayi bo, usungibiza ngebhubesi. Vele uyibhubesi. Hayi bo, guys.
Limela, I don't want to lie to you. You broke my heart.
Inkinga usuwawa umuntu uphenduka ibhubesi.
Usungibiza ngebhesi mina. Uyibhubesi vele.
That is what we are watching from Ingane Zesithembu ngaze ngabhoreka, guys. Like, listen, edition kaMabiyela. Okay, I know this is reality TV, but I mean, we need like personality nyana ekhona. Like even the kulum, there is no up and down. I want to kuluma. Sometimes you get excited, get overly excited, and then you know. Ibanama waves phela in kulokhuza yakho, like that's how they are, all three of them. Pumelelo, uTirelo and uMabiyela usuyibhubesi. Ha, usungibiza ngebhubesi. Vele uyibhubesi. Ayibo. Guys, phela this is a show. Can we have some character nyana, spicy personality? Guys, I'm sorry, but Ingane Zesithembu bangibhora this season. Iyabhora. Ishow ayina spicy, ayinaso isiqi in their storylines. And then this Mabiyela that they've added, she's beautiful, yes, but that's all we're getting. I mean, and ubuhle bakhe, yes, it worked like that first episode when she came. It was like, oh, here is another beautiful girl. But I mean, guys, like, she's not reality TV like Spice. You know, like when a new person is coming into a reality TV show, like you wanna feel like, oh yes, oh yeah, no, I love her for the show. There is not like the show is boring, the season is boring. It is very, very boring. And it really is proof that Usne was the show. And with Usne deciding to have, because she's like, when they try to get drama from her, she's like, peace out, not this season, I guess they don't want Usne to talk. They don't want Usne overcoming a mess, they don't want Usne to pretend one. So now everything is just boring, okay? Like, I will. Like, honestly, you guys, I wouldn't mind if they just say this is the last season of Ingane Zesithembu, because unless they are willing to make like big decisions and big changes on this show and really like consider adding other people on the show that are not themselves, okay? I think that if they don't do that, then there's no like what is new this season? Oh, Mpumalelo Uthatha Isithembu, yeah, right? Then what else? Like, and then they're waiting to go on a trip that Abo mentioned the other time. Yo, I guys, I'm here to say, Guti, yeah, I'm gonna do the full review, of course, but the season is boring. It is extremely boring, and the fact that they've added somebody on the show that is like adding to the bottom. Uthi uvele waba yibhubesi. Usungibiza ngebhubesi. Vele uyibhubesi. Isho phela ngekhala vele uyibhubesi. Hayi yena badla shem uyibhubesi. And the reason ngithi uyibhubesi is because of this and this. You understand? Notirelo nje umuntu athi ukuthi wavele waba yibhubesi. Utireza, ha usungibiza ngebhubesi. So, wait a minute. What do you mean? What do you mean ngebhubesi? What do you mean ngibhubesi? Angithi ubhubesi ubaba kazange inabiza wena ngobhubesi ubaba kubiza wena ngibhubesi. Manje usubiza mina ngibhubesi hayibo asingajwayelani. Uyayibona leyo nto, guys. Abangifake mina kuyingane Zesithembu. Abangifake shame. Naye nje uphumelela ukuthi angabe yasho no, angeke ngize ngikwenze number 1 because wena uyibhubesi wenze 1 2 3 3. Enzani isho ibe mnandi. Not ukuthi hayi phela nawe usuvele wafuna ukuba yibhubesi. Ha, usungibiza ngebhubesi. Vele uyibhubesi. We are supposed to watch that, guys. Do you know how much DSTV is? But DSTV, we pay for abantu bakaMseleku. Let's be honest, okay? There isn't anything that is worth us paying for DSTV except our husbands watch soccer now and then. But we don't really care about the husbands, okay? Listen, that's the only thing we pay for. Uzuthi usuvele waba yibhubesi. Hawu, usungibiza ngebhubesi. Hayibo. Guys, we need something on that show. Otherwise, goodbye. Okay, goodbye. Okay, goodbye, Kyle. Okay, goodbye, Kyle. Yeah, hayi ngaze ngabhoreka shame.